You'd probably think you'd never hurt a stranger, never follow cruel orders, or never fall for obvious manipulation. But history says otherwise. Today, I'm going to show you 5 real psychological experiments that exposed how disturbingly weird and dark human behavior can be. First up, the Milgram experiment. In the 1960s, psychologist Stanley Milgram tested obedience by having participants give what they thought were electric shocks to strangers. The shocks weren't real, but the participants didn't know that. Over 65% of people went all the way, delivering what they believed were potentially fatal shocks, just because a man in a lab coat told them to. Let that sink in. Next, the Stanford Prison Experiment. In 1971, psychologist Philip Zimbardo created a fake prison in a university basement and assigned students to play guards or prisoners. Within days, the guards became sadistic and abusive, and the prisoners broke down mentally. It had to be shut down early. The scary part: these were ordinary students. Nothing else changed. Then there's the bystander experiment. Inspired by the infamous Kitty Genovese case, researchers set up fake emergencies to see if strangers would help someone in trouble. The result: the more people there were around, the less likely anyone was to help. Everyone assumed someone else would step in. It's called the bystander effect, and it happens more often than you think. Another one, the monster study. In the 1930s, researchers wanted to study how speech therapy affected stuttering. They gave positive reinforcement to one group of orphans and negative feedback to another. The second group developed lifelong speech issues. The test was so unethical it was buried for decades. And finally, the third wave experiment. In 1967, a high school teacher in California tried to explain how fascism could take hold in a democracy by actually creating a fake fascist movement in his class. Students started dressing the same, chanting slogans, and reporting classmates who didn't conform. Within 5 days, it got so intense the teacher had to shut it down. Some students even cried when it ended because they wanted it to be real. So, which of these experiments messed with your head the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creepy and unbelievable truths about human nature every single week.